So you can use this list to spell a word for someone who only speaks Haitian Creole. And this way of spelling, it's really useful because it uses matching words, names, and ideas that many Haitians are already used to. So here's how to do it. First, say the English letter in Haitian Creole or French, and then say taku, and then say the name, word, or idea that many Haitians are already used to. So, for example, that would be A taku anana, B taku bébé, C taku vitamin C, D taku dola, E taku elephant, and so on. Alright, so now to practice, consider the situation where you are spelling the English name Kelly.
Okay, interpreter. Please let the member know that the first name of the primary care doctor is Kelly.
Oui, nos docteur généraux, c'est Kelly.
Ok, d'accord, merci, oui. Qui j'en écrit dans ça même?
Mais qui j'en kay plil? K, ton coup kay. E, ton coup éléphant. L, ton coup lalo. L, ton coup lalo. Y, ton coup yo-yo.
Ok, merci. Mais gars, nous, attendez.
Now, there are 4 letters that you need to keep in mind when you are spelling. They are I, U, Q, and X. Let us begin with I and U, which are E and U in French. So the problem with these 2 letters is the fact that they can be confusing because they sound so similar, especially if you are spelling for someone over the phone or if you are interpreting for someone, it can be a whole mess, especially if the audio is bad. So to avoid confusion and make the difference really clear, you can say I, yojam for the letter I, and you can say U, dejam for the letter U. Or you can also say I, d'angrier for the letter I, and you can also say U, bouche fermée for the letter U. And now, as an example, consider the situation where you have to spell the English word utopia, which has both the letters I and U.
Yes, ma'am. The clinic is on Utopia Street. You may spell it for her as well as interpret.
Oui, nos route clinique là, c'est Utopia Street.
Alors, merci, mais, tant pis, et plil, m'a comprendre.
Oui, mais qui j'en kay plil? U, des jambes. T, ton coup tonton. O, ton coup original. P, ton coup papa. I, ton coup imaginé. A, ton coup anana.
Ok, merci, petit. Moi, gars, non, route la kounia, merci.
And now finally, let us consider the letters Q and X, which are Q and X in French. So the problem with these 2 letters is the fact that they hardly exist in Haitian Creole and hardly any word starts with them. But someone who speaks Haitian Creole may understand you if you say Q, t'as comme question en français, or if you say X, t'as comme si multiplication X na mathématique. And really, that's all there is to it. So go ahead and use this list, for example, if you have to spell for someone who only speaks Haitian Creole, and especially if you are a Haitian Creole interpreter, it will help you a lot. For more videos like this, subscribe and thanks for watching.